Hi guys, today we're going to be reviewing this cool wire stripping and knot tying tool set. As you can see, this particular tool set comes with your 14, your 10, your 12, your 8, and your 6 measurements for stripping your wires. It comes with a specific various sets for tying the knots. You can use this tool to tie the wires, your Romax wires. I got this little set right here, and you also have this particular tool here. This allows you to, I got my gun here. Just basically, this goes into any of your impact guns. You put it like that, basically, and if you want to, for example, you want to strip these wires right here, you basically can use, for this particular example, I'm gonna go ahead and use, this particular. Set. It's a 12-inch. You're gonna put it right into here like this, and you're gonna use the gun. This size 14 nugget for my Romax that I have currently for this example. We're gonna take this particular Romax wire, we're gonna stick it in here, and basically strips your wire, as you can see. Step is tying these Romax cables. You just basically tie them. You put this tool in here, like so, and then you basically take this right here, you put it in here, and it basically ties them like this, you see? Then you take this nugget, you put it in here, and you basically put it in here. Ties your and it ties the nugget to the wire, so you're all set here. You can come out, and it's all good to go. So you can use this for any of your electric needs, installing electric work, doing in your boxes, in your garage, in your house.